9. We're live. There we go.
Yes,
And we are live. Hello. Hi, world. Good morning, good afternoon, or good night. Whichever part of the world you are tuning in. Hi, once again, this is Maria Santos from Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Originally from Bicol, Philippines. Maray na aga, maray na bangge, maray na hapon sa mga kabikulan sa bilog na Kinabang. I am a wife, I am a mom, I am a proud grandma to 12 beautiful grandchildren, and I am a retired nurse educator and a full-time proud digital business owner. That's who Maria Santos is. Woo-hoo! So tonight I have a very special guest, all the way from Sydney, but she is from the Philippines. She's living now in Sydney, and she will introduce herself to you. Take it away, Luisa. Take it away.
Thank you, sis. Wow! Grabe talaga yung introduction ni Sis Maria. Live na live. Hello, everyone, for those who are tuning in and watching us here live all the way from Australia and Canada. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Again, my name is Luisa Indiano. I'm currently living here in Sydney, Australia, but originally from Leyte, Philippines. So, tanang mga Bisaya diha na nagatanaw diha sa Canada, diri sa Australia. Uy, maayong udto sa inyong tananan. Magandang tanghali din sa lahat ng mga Tagalog kung saan man kayo nanonood. So, I am also a dedicated assistant nurse, a wife, and a passionate assistant nurse. Sorry. So, I am a Christian. I am a proud digital business owner for actually 4 years now. I am doing this business as part-time alongside with my nursing job. So, I've been in the nursing for 11 years. So, imagine, as a Filipino, so we're born to be nurses. So I'm actually doing this business because I want to have a time freedom, financial flexibility for the future of me and my husband, of course, for our family as well. Lalo na sa atin, na karamihan sa ating mga Pilipino, that we always help our family back home, right? So, sana guys, sa inyong panonood, we will inspire you. Maka-inspire po kami sa inyo, and we can help you as well to start this online business. Thank you so much, Sis Maria.
That is very good introduction. Yes, we are here in this business. I am a retired nurse educator and a full-time digital business owner. Retired is not just to stop. It is just the beginning of another journey, being a retired nurse educator, right? It should not stop. I joined this business that was 4 years ago because I want to regain my freedom and time flexibility. Just like Bernadette says, I had been working too as a nurse. I started in Saudi Arabia. Maybe Bernadette is not born yet. I started 1979. I was in Saudi Arabia, and now, last year, in October 2024, I retired being a nurse educator. So, total, I have 49 years of amazing journey as a nurse here in Edmonton, Alberta, in Saudi Arabia. So, that's 49 years, right? That was a long years. Thank you so much, Luisa, for coming. Thank you so much for your time. And now we will start with our first question. This is just an ordinary business talk that we want to inspire you. We want you to know that you can work smarter and not harder. Even though those who are watching right now, I know that it is fearful, it's hard to trust, you will be doubtful or skeptical, but you have to know that we were sitting in your place before we started this business, right, Luisa?
That's right.
We were scared just like you. We were skeptical. at the back of our mind, we're asking, what are these people saying? Are they legit? Are they real people? Are they scam? No, hindi po kami scam. We are real people. That's why we are doing this. Just to let you know that we are so proud to be in this business na legit, tax registered. Okay. So marami kayong mara-write off. There's lots of things that bills that you can write off sa business na ito, and we will not discuss it here. If you want, we have our email, right? We have our email, so you can connect with us if you want to know about that tax write-off. Okay? So let's go to the next question, the first question. Luisa, what challenge did you encounter when you started this business, and how did you manage the learning curve, especially when it comes to tech side of things? And you can also tell them first why you joined this business, please. Take it away.
Thank you, Sis Maria. So as I've said, when I started this business, are you
Just
still
continue.
around? Okay. I was wondering why you're gone. Anyway, so when I started this business, this is like this is still during COVID, so I really wanted to have something like uh to do with online, because I know a lot of people during that time, everybody is actually working online. But as a nurse, you can't do online, right? So you have to work. So, but I used to work 2 to 3 jobs. And then when I come back from the Philippines and it's still COVID, I realized, I need to have another supplemental income. So I only have one job, but I want to look for something. And working from home is not possible for a nurse. But then I realized, okay, I have to find something. And that's when, like, I saw the ads of my coach as a mentor as well. And that's when I found this business. And of course, we all want time freedom, we all want financial flexibility, right? Because before, I don't have lots of time for myself. When I came to Australia, I'm always like work, work, work for the family, for your future, for my school. And I didn't have time for myself. I didn't have time to look after myself, and which is actually take a toll of my mental health. And that's why I'm here. So the challenges that I encountered when I started this business, yes, I would be very honest with you guys. There are few. So of course, when I started this business, I was so excited, right? But then I realized, like, there's a lot of things that you need to know, the skills, the knowledge, and I don't have that. So every time I ask questions, I have to throw questions with my mentors. But then you have also to learn. And I understood that, I used to be studying and I was so tired before. And then now I'm learning again. But you know what, guys? If you really wanted something to change in your life, you have to do it. So in the beginning, I was procrastination. I was just too lazy doing it. Also, one of my challenges. And yeah, and I was like, I'll just like let it. I'll just guess, as a young as well, when I chill out, I just want to watch Netflix and all that. I can do this tomorrow. And as a Filipino culture, I always practice na yung bahala na, you can do it later, you can do it. So one of my struggles. And then I always come back, but I always get inspired because with my mentor and other business partners, they always have buyers, action takers, and that truly inspired me. But the thing is, with me doing it, I keep procrastinating. So the second challenge as well for me is, like, I'm not that totally shy, but I've never having like any kind of this interview, doing the interviews, my weakness, facing the camera. I was so scared if I made mistakes, but now I don't really care anymore. So now I boast my content. I really have to do it. And there was the third as well is, of course, like, I had setbacks when, sometimes when in every business that you start, there will be always like challenges, whether small or big. I had setbacks. Now when things happen, you should keep going, right? When you're a business owner, you should keep going. But I have those setbacks, and that made me stop of continuing or doing something about it. But how did I manage all these things? You know what? it took me 3 years later to actually come out of my comfort zone, doing this kind of these interviews, facing of you guys live here. And now my face is so big now that I don't feel shy. I don't feel embarrassed. I don't care what people say about this business, about me. Because some people might judge you, right? But I don't care it anymore. So I keep going and pushing. And with my setbacks, I always say that, in the long run, every business owner will always face challenges, right? So now, instead of, like, procrastinating and being sad of how these things happen, I realized talaga na all those failures and challenges are the fuels, to keep going, to keep burning this business, and be alive and just continue what we're doing, because we are here to inspire anyway. If you stop and then you have business partners are actually rooting for you, then they will lose motivation to keep doing this business anyway. So on the tech side, I don't really have a problem, because I know a lot of you guys, probably like Sis Maria, she's retired, and a lot of, like, the old fashioned way, they don't know how to do computer things. Yes, in this business we have a lot of different ages, and they don't know tech savvy, they don't know technical skills, right? But in my part, because I'm in this generation, so of course I don't have a problem with that. There's a lot of learnings that you can do in this business. We always go back to our training, and it's so easy to use, so user friendly, and there's a lot of business partners are actually helping you out. That's the good thing about this business. So that's for me, sis. Thank you.
You're very welcome. That is very, very, very good. Right. Just like Louisa says, that there's lots of challenges, not only in this business. Life is a challenge. Life is a journey. Even though when we're a nurse, there were challenges.
That's
Residents are challenging, medication are challenging, staff, supervisor, director of care, they are, we are all different individual. So the same with this business, right? There are challenges. Me, I'm talking for myself, right? So I started this business when I was still working 16 hours until October 2024. They're
wow.
asking me, where do I get all those, how do I get the hours? And how do I have the hours to uh, do my business? Well, that is where the prioritization and time management come. My teaching start at 7 o'clock. So, here in Alberta, the snow is amazing, right? It is amazing, the snow here. I wake up at 4 o'clock. I only have 3.5 hours sleep because that is my choice. Nobody pushed me to be a digital business owner. But when I watched that webinar, I was convinced. That was an amazing webinar that I saw that webinar. They testify. They said that this business changed their lives. They travel. They have time for themselves. They retired. They have the freedom and time flexibility, and at the same time, they are earning financially so that they can enjoy the freedom in time flexibility. That is why I joined this business, right? So I was working 16 hours for 3.5 years. Three and a half
Wow.
years, right? I did the training. Saturday, Sunday, I only work Monday to Friday. So Saturday, Sunday, I work overtime to do the training. My challenge was I didn't have any business background because I was a nurse. I was a nurse for 49 years. I was born and I am born to be a nurse. But you know what? I want to regain my freedom in time flexibility because all my kids, they have their own life and we are left alone, right? So, and then what?
Mm,
And then what? I don't wanna just sit at home and then just sit in the rocking chair. with my cup of coffee. No, that's not Maria Santos. The Maria Santos worked 3 jobs, 2 jobs, 16 hours. I was so energetic and I love my job. I was not a tech savvy. I don't have a business background. It was kind of scary and challenging. How I gonna do this? Just like Luisa says, that we are an old school. I was not born with computer, not at all. We don't even have a radio in the Philippines. Can you believe that? I was born in poverty. And all of a sudden, I become a social media person doing this business. And when I start, I don't even know how to open the training, the step by step. I don't know what to press to open the training. Can you believe how tech savvy I was? Right? But you know what? Do you think since day one, even though I have a little time, I make sure that I make use of the available time, freedom that I have during my break in between my 16 hours, right? So I do go live while my husband is driving. I do post when my husband is driving, and then I wake up early. So being not a tech savvy is not an excuse to do what you want in life, just like this business. Because you know what? At the end of the day, you will benefit from your consistency and persistency. Since day one, my energy never lessened. It is all the same. It is all the same. But there are times that you have to sit back when you got discouraged, just a normal human being. But you know what? You are allowed to take that break. You are allowed to take that break. Why? You are your own boss, right? Go back, sit back, watch Netflix, go for a walk, then come back, right? So this is an amazing business. And thank you so much, Luisa, for your input. And now we go to the next question. Okay.
I love
Now,
your energy, Sis Maria. You're really true what you've said.
yeah, you know what, Luisa? I never I am like this even though in my job, because 2006 when I sponsor my children here in Canada, 4 of them. But you know what? I was a single mom and I have to work 3 jobs:
Very good.
day shift, evening shift, and sleep shift. That is for 8 years. 8 years I did that. You know what? I
Wow.
never say to my job, they will not even know that I come from the shift. No, because what I believe is I take that responsibility to get that hours, to serve that resident, to make that people, life of this resident comfortable. I just smile, but in deep inside me, I can't hardly walk. I'm so tired, my body, I want to sleep, something like that. But you know what? Sometimes life doesn't give us a choice. I have to work. I have to pay the apartment. I have to pay the rent. I have to give my children money. I have to pay the debt, the car, and everything like that. So where I'm gonna get that money, right? So
Wow.
well done. I can say to myself, I pat myself, well done. Okay.
Well
Now,
done.
well done. We have comments here. That is, I will show Jasmine. Hi, Jasmine.
Hi,
Jasmine Tiano. I think she is from, I don't know, Yellowknife, right? I don't know.
I
Tell
have
us,
no idea.
Jasmine, where you are. Hello, ladies, watching this very energetic live show, very inspiring. Where to check this opportunity out, guy. Thank you so much, my love. And thank you so
Jasmine.
much. Okay, let's go to the next question. Where is our question is gone? So I have to find the question. There we go. Okay, next one. Number 2. What's been the biggest blessing or breakthrough you've experienced since you becoming a digital business owner? What's the blessing? What is the breakthrough? Right? What milestone did you hit or whatever? Right? Okay, take it away, my dear.
Thank you, Sis Maria. Wow, blessing. So many things have happened in this business, to be honest. Because before, sometimes when you're an immigrant, you get to uh be lonely because you're here in Australia and you don't. I have families, but they're so busy as well. But in this business, I've got to meet a lot of people online, guys. They're everywhere, from Philippines, from Canada, from the USA, and I make friends of them. And that's how really good in our community in this business. We are in this together. We always help each other. We're always, give advices. We do live talks and interviews. So you gotta meet, and we're not just only meeting online, but we also meet offline. How amazing this business is. That's really a blessing, because sometimes even in our business, you have problems personal, but you got, because you have these people who are actually the same business minded people. They're also not helping you out as in business perspective, but they're also like helping you out in personal as well, because you get close to them, and that's how amazing this business is. So another blessing I would say is, of course, I tell you guys, I want to have time freedom. Yes, when I have this business, it took me a while. When I see results, I actually realize how amazing this business is. Like Sis Maria said, when you become a business owner, right, and you become successful, a lot of business owners have actually achieved their time freedom, and so as me. Of course, you have to change your mindset in doing this business, right? And then when I, of course, again, when I get the results, wow, this is really amazing, because it actually happened to me. I get to reduce the amount of hours that I work. I used to work lots of night shifts back then. I would say 4 nights, and that's really a lot. And even though I say like Sis Maria is very energetic, but it's different feeling when you work so hard, 3 jobs. But you know what? I don't have that kind of energy of Sis Maria. But of course, I'm still young, but you have to work 3 jobs, especially you have to because you want to help with your family back home. And then that really felt me like so tired, and again, as I told you guys, it took on my mental health, so I had to change. But with this business, it changed a lot. Again, it reduced my hours of working. So I used to be in the night shift, now I'm on the day shifts. I don't worry so much anymore of thinking like, oh, I have to like really really work hard. Yes, I still work in the nursing, but of course I want to, because I'm thinking about what will be in the future, right? I want to plant seeds now, so I can nurture this business, so in the future I can reap um uh the good things about this business. And another thing that really helps me is, the of course, the financial flexibility. I want that as well, because I always think that when you retire, and I've seen a lot of people again, um they retire but they come back into the workforce, because imagine right now, since the pandemic, everything is actually a lot of goods in the grocery. You go to groceries, it's like every month they're always like the prices rank up, and it's very expensive nowadays. Even we're paying rent, you never know, right, when is the time will change. And so that's why I was realizing, oh, I need a second income. Honestly, I don't want to work in the workforce, working really hard. I'm already working hard on my on my on this job. Like, even because I get to reduce from 3 jobs to 1 job, but I don't want to like working hard physically. I'm already exhausted. I just want to have a healthy body and a healthy mind, not thinking a lot that is, and not also working my body, because you only have one body, guys. You have to look after yourself, okay? So that's when I got into this business. Oh gosh, this is really good. When I see results, I don't need to work too much. I don't even to have to work overtime anymore, because I used to do that. So I don't want to break my bones. Believe me, when you get older, you will feel a lot of pain in your back. Probably sees Maria as well. So yeah, this is really a big blessing for me. and it also changed my mindset. Another thing that really blessed me, because it changed my mindset, because I used to be a, an employee mindset. I keep thinking that, we were taught when we were young, you go to school so you can have a job or a degree, and then, but now that's what's before. You have to go to school so you can get a job, not because you go to school to have a business, right? But now, as an business mindset, I have to like think like a business person, of course. I don't, um I'm not just like relying for my income now as an employee, but also I'm relying my another income, as a business owner, and I love that. And knowing that when I see the results, and it's really surreal, receiving income, it might not be like permanent yet now, but I know that I see results about it, and that's really a blessing. Imagine working as a assistant nurse, and you have a day shift or afternoon shifts, and then you have a surprise blessing, and having this financial flexibility while working as a nurse. Like, how amazing is that? That's for me, like, it doesn't matter how will I run this business and how become like very successful than anybody else, but as long as I keep going and I keep pushing and doing this business. Thank you, sis.
You're welcome. You are very welcome. And thank you so much for your information that you are sharing to our audience, right? So, what the blessing, right? This business, my blessing here is I regain my freedom in time flexibility. As I said, I've been a nurse for 49 years. I am was very workaholic. Workaholic. Just like Luisa says that our mindset, we were taught in the Philippines, study, work, right? That's
Yeah.
all. Study and work. I thought that was the milestone. I thought when I work day shift, evening shift, and sleep shift, I thought I reached my milestone. No, it's not the way there. And then what? And then what? When you are unable to work anymore, and what? What will be next? Right? Nobody will employ you when you are 70, 75, or 85 years
Yes.
old, that you are
Yes.
using your cane, yet you are using your walker or something like that. Nobody wants you that in the unit or on in the floor, right? Nobody.
Yeah.
But you know what? My blessing is, first, I was able to find this business, right? I was able, though I was not a tech savvy, it's okay. But I have that mindset that if they can do it, I can do it, right?
That's right.
No, it might be slow because I didn't know about technology. I was not born with computer. I was not born like that. But you know what? That doesn't hinder me from doing what I have to do because I want it, I work for it, and I will get it. So, the second thing is I got my freedom, regained my freedom. Last year, I resigned at the age of, right, of 69. I resigned 69. So, what?
Oh
What
my.
if I didn't find this business? I will not retire. They still want me to teach. Teaching is not hard. It's just like, you talk too much, right? You talk too much. I follow students for the practicum. That's not really a hard job. I just hand them to their buddy, and that's it, right? I'll go to the office, and then I'll just do what I have to do for the paperwork. But you know what? The freedom and time flexibility that I lost for 49 years. I never live as a normal human being. Because of
Yeah.
poverty, that was in my mind that I have to work to help people, help my brothers and sisters, give my family, my children, and my children a good future, a good education. Because my mindset, I teach them education, then go get job and buy whatever you want. But that's it, not about it. If you have the freedom, this listen to me now, right? I'm telling you, if you have the freedom and you don't have the money, Do you think you will enjoy that freedom? No.
No.
To be able to enjoy that freedom, you have to have money to go somewhere, to go. Actually, Luisa, I was able
Travel.
to go to the Philippines November 2024 until May. I was in the Philippines for 6 months. I carried this business
Wow.
back home, right? 6 months. I was doing the business. I was in the island, hopping from island to island. But you know what? The automation was doing that job. This is a huge blessing to me because now I am 70 years old. What if I didn't find this business? I
You'll be
might be
working
still,
more.
I might be still teaching because I cannot
Yeah.
sit still. I can't sit still. I will be sick when I sit
Oh,
all day long. I will end up in the hospital sick. What is the cause of your sickness? Is because you stop working, right? So
that's
that is
right.
the that
You'll
is
still
the
be
thing.
working 16 hours, sis.
Yeah, I know. I
Until
know.
you don't
So
anymore. Until you can't
I
anymore,
know.
right?
And also, Luisa, what I found here, I was confident teaching. I was confident being a nurse. I've been through a lot, especially when I work in Saudi Arabia. I've been a lot of this experience and thing. But this business, you know what? Just like what we are doing, I'm not a social media person. But
Mm,
because we were taught according to the step-by-step training that we have to get out from our comfort zone, right?
that's right.
It is a huge blessing that I become who I am right now. Who I am right now because I wanna win this business. I wanna reach my goal to be able to help those unfortunate people in the Philippines in my place that want to go to school and yet they don't have resources to do that. This is
That's
my
right.
main thing here to help people. But you know what, this business too, you know what, Luisa, you know that we are building a legacy for our
Yes,
generation to generation to generation. And because
that's
of this business, I'm able to work whenever I want because I am my own boss. That's a huge blessing. I don't need to wake up with the alarm clock. If I'm tired after this, I don't need to work. I don't need to work. I just have to sit back or watch Netflix. And then, you know what? In my own time, I usually wake up at 4 o'clock when my
wow.
husband is sleeping. That is the time that I want to work, right? I want to work. Nobody is bugging me. So this is a huge blessing. Why not try this? Those who are watching us, keep on scrolling and scrolling and scrolling day in, day out. What are you doing? What are you doing? You are wasting time. Yeah, because I
That's
always say,
true.
Luisa, right? I wish I found this business when I'm your age. I wish I found this business when I was 18 or 20 or 25 or 50 years old, not 65 years old, right? But age is just a number. Age is
Yeah.
just a number. So don't worry about that because everybody it's just the way how you look at life, right? No matter
Yeah.
how age, no matter what is your status, no matter where you work, no matter who you are, as long as you have that huge why, you can do this business, right?
That's
Right?
right.
Thank you so much, Luisa, for your input. Now, let's go to the third question. I'm
I
so
like it.
excited and burning here, right?
That's right.
Uh, okay. As a business owner, what does it mean to you being your own boss? Okay, that's a very good question. What is it? What does it mean? Take it away.
Hel- Thank you, sis. Wow, being your own boss. I mean, I would never imagine myself being my own boss, but of course, I want to control my time because honestly, if you are an employee, you always have when do you want to work? Of course, you always have a boss bossing you around what to do when you want to work, right? But when you're a boss, you can just, like what you said, you can watch Netflix, you can just do this business anytime you want, whenever. Nobody is dictating you. Nobody is like, hey, come on, work around your ass. Hey, nobody is calling you early in the morning. Before you even started your shift, someone is calling, can you work early? Yeah. You don't have that kind of person. Hey, can you work overtime, please? We really need someone to pick up another because someone gets sick. But sometimes we can't really say no because we feel bad as well. We're nurses, right? We want to help even our colleagues. But the thing is, like what you said, imagine like you've been working, sis, from from morning to afternoon, and you still like wanna, because of desperation. Sometimes the desperation can actually like, okay, I want to work in my third shift. Oh my god, but actually like your body is crying already. Oh no, how can I do this? But because you're desperate, you have bills, you have other things that you want to achieve. You want to travel to Philippines, but you need to you have to earn your income, right? You have to save. There's so many things, guys. But that's how it happens when you are not a boss, when you're a business. But if you're a boss, oh my gosh, you just go, doing like this, like we do this even in our weekends, guys. Even if we're on holidays, we can do this business. We can bring this business wherever in the part of the world where we are. We can do this business. That's how amazing this is. And again, being your own boss, of course, the flexibility is so amazing. Like I said, when I'm in the nursing, of course, I have to book myself. Even though I'm casual now, guys. Imagine if you're a full time right now. Full time is really hard to get on leave. You have to, here in Australia, a lot of people, like especially in the healthcare, because then there are people who wants to go for Christmas. Of course, everyone is like, they just want to have a leave because they become parent. But you can't do that if you're full time. You have to ask for your boss and submit your leave, what, 6 months before. I don't know in the other countries, but here in Australia there are other jobs here that you have to submit, the leave, form of leave, maybe a year before you even have. So it's so hard, right? So because because they have to consider that there are also other colleagues that that they wanted to do holidays, right? But of course, if you are your own boss, oh my god, you can just do whenever you want. You can go on leave whenever you want. You can go home whenever, as soon as you have, but as long as you have the source of income, your source of, to go overseas. That's how amazing it is. You have your own time, your own schedule, your own pace to do this business. Like what sis Maria said, whenever her husband is sleeping, that's how she does this business, right? That's how amazing in this business. If you're a mom, if you're a nurse, you've been wanting to actually take back, the memories, the times that, you lose moments with your kids because you don't have time. Maybe this is your time. This is really a great advantage if you want to be your own boss, that no one is bugging you when you're gonna work. But at the same time, you're also not having a problem, where do you get the income. You don't worry about things that, you can't do anything before, like sis Maria, right? So guys, if you want to be your own boss, it doesn't mean that just because we are an own boss in this business, we don't do anything. Of course, you have to make time and effort in this business, but the difference is no one is trying to dictate when you want to work, when you want to, leave, go to, for leave, or when do it's so amazing this business is, right? Sis Maria,
Yes.
what is your point of
Yes.
being your boss now that you're being an own boss and you're a retired nurse educator now? What can you say about this? Because I'm not retired yet, so I don't know how you're feeling at this moment.
I am enjoying it. I am enjoying it. Just, you know what? I can schedule things. Just a while ago, I was watching a birthday party in California, Zoom. So I have all
Oh,
that time. There are business partners, right? They were teaching, there's business, what's this? They're about business and things like that. I was able to do things at my own time. So I was just like this. It's 9:39 here in Edmonton, Alberta. If I'm working, I should be at work because I work 16 hours. I work 3 jobs, right? So I will not have the time like that, right? We are already
Yeah.
39 minutes and 16 seconds. We are just enjoying it. Being my own boss, right? I schedule my own work, right? I schedule my own time, right? Things that are to be done, I take priority. I make a list of that and check, check, check. If things that are not done because I need to sit back, I need to be away from this computer, I just do it the following day, schedule. I do need to drive. I do need to pack my lunches, because with 3 jobs, 2 jobs, lunches, right? I do need to drive in the winter time because this business is where you can work from home, from the
That's right.
comfort of your home. How good is that? See, I am here in my dining room, sitting here, just chatting with Luisa and reaching out to you and sharing to you the goodness of being your own boss. That nobody tell you, you do this, you do that, you don't do that right, you document that, you do this. Nobody. Because I
Yeah.
am my own boss and I have my boss. That's why my husband is here. I work at 4 o'clock in the morning, so I don't see anybody.
That's
No,
true.
that
You
is
work and
being,
sleep.
yeah, that is being amazing. It's amazing, guys. It is an amazing business that, you know what, you just have to have that one mindset that
Mindset.
I
Yeah.
will win this. I will win. I will win. This is the thing. The winning thing should be in your heart and in your mind, and do it and do it and do it and learn it, because winning doesn't mean that you just stare on the ceiling and you gonna win. No, you have to do it. That is your own business, right? You have to do your own business. But we are mentors. We will mentor you, as we will help and guide you, not do the business for you, right? We are here to help and guide according to our experience. My 4 years experience, that according to the training, the strategies that I've learned how to win this, because as you go, you learn a lot. You learn a lot on your own. Yeah, because you know what? The mentor has their own business too. The coach has his own business too, right? So they will not be available. There's no babysitting here, right? You have to be independent. You have to do it. You have to do it. If I can do it at the age of 65, now I'm 70 years old, why can't you do this when you are only 50 years old or 25 years old? There's
That's
nothing
right.
impossible to a willing heart, huh, Bernadette? But if you have lots of, if you don't want to do it, you are saying, oh, I'm busy, I'm tired, I don't have time, oh, I don't have
Everyone's
babysitter. Yeah,
excuses.
you know what? There's lots of excuses, Bernadette.
Yeah.
Bernadette, Luisa. There's lots of excuses. We often hear that from people who want to jump to the business, right? I'm
Yeah.
busy. I don't have time. I am tired. You know what? I will tell you. You never did what I did. I don't know if you worked 3 jobs for 8 years. 8 long years. I never put excuses on anything I do. My feet, I can't hardly walk. But I don't let them know that I can't hardly walk. My back is already aching. But you know what? I take responsibility for that 7.75 hours, no matter what. No matter what, I have to stand, I have to walk, I have to smile, even though I don't feel like smiling. I have to do it just to show them that I am there. Just like Fresh, because I don't tell them I work 3 jobs. No, because
Yeah.
yeah, I don't tell them. Do you tell them, Luisa, that you work another job? No,
No.
because no, I don't tell them. But you know what? Now I'm proud to tell to the whole world that I made it all the way, and now I am a successful
Digital
full-time digital business
business.
owner. Right? Isn't good?
Congratulations, ate.
Now let's go to the fourth questions. Right? Okay. What advice can you share to the viewers who wants to start this business and yet is scared and hesitant to do it. Take it away.
Thank you, Sis Maria. You know what, guys? For those of you who are watching, well, thank you for tuning in. If you're still here with us, look, listen, when I started this business, like I said, I don't even have any business experience, right? I may have a technical skills, but I don't have any business experience. I don't know how to run in this business. I was so shy. I was so scared. I was so skeptical. Even my husband was very skeptical, but now he is not because he saw the results of what I do in this business. But you know what, guys? You can keep working. You can working hard in your job right now. You can keep going whatever you need to do, right? But if you don't do anything, if you're not taking an action, if you don't do it for yourself, maybe do it for your family. But if you're not doing anything and starting this business, that's your choice, guys. But of course, if you really want to change your life, guys, start in this business. Yeah, and like what sis Maria said, there's no such thing that, oh, I'm too old, I don't have any technical skills. No, I don't have time. A lot of people wanting to start a business, but yet they're so scared and then sort of, oh, is this real? Well, look at us here. We're doing live talk. We're sharing the goodness and the benefits of this business. Now, if you really want to start, we got our, webinar. Watch the webinar. You can see a lot of business partners are actually achieving this business. This is not just like a one night success. Of course, you have to take your responsibility, just like what Sis Maria said. Own it. This is your business. You have to do something about it. Because I know a lot of people as well expect that if you be in this business, you don't do anything. No, that's not gonna work. When you're the same as other business, but the good thing about business is all online, it's all automated. Okay, you don't have to worry about things. You don't even need to start the business from the scratch because we are here as mentors. Like we will guide and help you out to start in this business. But please do not blame us that if you don't see results and achieve this business yet, because again, we are just here to guide and help you. We will give you the knowledge and skills and be equipped. You have to work for it. You need to give time and effort for it. But you know what, guys, once you're in it, once your mindset in is, believe me, anything is possible. The sky is the limit. You can achieve whatever you want. You can travel wherever you go. You can a lot of people are actually, because they wanted the financial freedom, right? At the beginning, they want this business to be their plan B, but now it is their plan A. So if you're seeing this, maybe this is your time. If you haven't started, if you're scared, that's natural. Everyone goes through with that, the same as me. But now that now in here in Australia, actually, it's income tax return filing. So yes, we can. It's our business is a tax write off, and next month I'm gonna file my income tax return in this business. So how amazing this business! We are business registered, so we are confident in saying that we are legit business. So don't be scared. Maybe just be open minded of actually looking at this business and what is this business can offer for you. Okay, we have I have my website www.growwithluisa.com. Register your name and your email address, and take a chance, guys. You'd rather look at it and see how it goes. And if this is not yours, we're not here to force you to actually be in this business. That's up to you as well. Okay, thank you so much, sis. That's for me.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for this input and information. You know what? This business is a life-changing business. A
That's right.
tax registered, a global business that you can do it anywhere you want. As I said, I was in the Philippines for 6 months, and I was working, I was able to enjoy the freedom and time flexibility that I have while the automation is working for me, right? So I don't
That's
need to be present. I don't need to be present. There is an automation. Even though you have 2 jobs, there is an automation that will do the job for you, right? That will do the step-by-step training. That is amazing. That's why I was able to make it. That I was not a tech savvy, but I was able to do it, to make this business, is because of the step-by-step training that is easy to follow. And you can go back 100 times whenever you want to do it again. It is available for you. Now, the first thing that you have to do is take action. Take action. Watch the webinar. The free. It is free. It is free. The webinar is free. All you have to do is register with your name and email, either or Luisa's website or my website, whoever you resonate, right? Register with your name and email and watch the webinar. That webinar is a life-changing webinar, right? All you have to do is take that step, leap of faith. That leap of faith that makes us who we are right now. And one very important thing that I have to tell you is what? So, if just in case you join this business, just like Luisa says, and you are not getting result, my question to you, what did you do? Did you learn the business? Did you take an effort to learn it? Did you go to the training? Did you spend time on how to learn strategies? Remember, you are the business owner. You are your own boss, and you are responsible for the growth of your business. We are here to help and guide you. We all the way. We will help and guide you, right? So, once you watch the webinar, there is a one-time registration fee that is refundable within 30 days. What does 149 will do is you will have access to the community, private community, wherein you will see all the success story, how we do the business, and you have access to the free coaching videos. And on top of that, free coaching videos explain what the business, how the business, compensation plan, how you earn, and then you 149 is still refundable within 30 days. How good is that? Where can you see a business like that, right? But if you want to continue, that is the step 3. Go for a coaching call wherein the coach will explain to you everything, step by step, and you can ask question as long as you want question clarification about this business. This is an amazing business, and we don't drag people here who don't have the huge why. We don't drag people who are always busy. We are here to inspire and educate you that this is the only way to work smarter and not harder. I've been a nurse for 49 years, but why I am in this business? Because I see the potential that I can help. We can help you who's watching right now. We can help you to be a successful digital business owner, to gain your freedom in time flexibility, earning that financially. You can do it here, right? You can do it here. All you have to do is learn and register. So thank you so much. You can register to any of us and reach out to us, and we will help and guide you. All right. Thank you so much. We have comments here. Okay. Tracy, I don't know this. Let's see.
She's one of
Hello.
my business partner here in Australia.
Oh, okay. You want to read that?
Yeah,
Lisa?
I can read it. It's okay. We have this Tracy Reeves here from Sydney, Australia. Guys, she's actually in her 60s as well. She's younger than you, sister, but she's actually a business partner. We are also accountable partners. So she said, "Hi, ladies, I'm watching you from Australia. Very true. You want the time freedom. Be your own boss. You don't have someone bossing you around. Don't need to clock in, clock out. Can snooze the whole day, especially during winter. I bet in Canada it's snowing in there, but still, like even right now, guys, it's so hard to wake up in the morning. Sometimes I have morning shifts, but you know what? If you're on your own boss, my goodness, can you imagine not waking up on just doing those alarms every morning, waking you up? Hey, it's time to wake up so you can go to work, right? So like us, if you're here with nurses, guys, take this chance.
Yeah.
Go ahead, please.
Jasmine Tijano is from Yellowknife. right? She's from
Ah,
Yellowknife. Thank you so much, guys. Tracy, Jasmine, and thank you so much, everybody, for watching. We hope that we inspire you. Take action, guys, especially those people that are young. Don't put excuses, because you will end up working for other people, and you know what, with this business you can build an empire, right? An empire,
yes,
right? So why I
yes.
am here? I'm 70 years old. I am pensioner, right? I am pensioner. So, but you know what? I want to do more. I want to learn more. I want to help people, right? I want to
Yeah.
help people know that they can work smarter and not harder, right? Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much, Luisa, for your time. Thank
Thank
you,
you, Sis
everybody.
Maria.
Just register on any website that you see here, whoever you resonate, and we will help and guide you. Promise that. Okay? As long as you are coachable. We are looking for coachable people, right? That can really listen to us, because you are the path that you are trying to walk, we already been there, right? So
Yeah.
good. Yep. Good night, everybody, and
Bye,
good
everyone.
blessing. Bye for now. Bye for now.
Bye.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank
Thank
you.